Let's learn some shapes with examples. This is heart. H for heart, H-E-R-T, heart. The color of the heart is red color and the example is leaf. The shape of the leaf is heart shape. This is star, S-T-A-R, star. This is star. This is grey color star and the example is star. Yellow color star, S-T-A-R, star. This is cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-R, cylinder. This is cylinder shape. The color is green color and the example is cup, C-U-P, cup. The example is cup. This is pink color, blue color. This is triangle shape. This shape is triangle shape and the color is brown color. And the shape of the pastry is triangle shape. This is triangle shape pastry. P-A-S-T-R-Y, pastry. The color of the pastry is yellow color, pink color. This is heart shape, H-A-R-T, heart. And the example of the heart is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. This is green color. Heart shape example is heart shape leaf. This is star shape. And the color of the star is grey color and the example is S-T-R, star, which is in yellow color. C for cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-R, cylinder. The cylinder color is blue color and the example is C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup and the color is pink and blue color. This is triangle shape and the color of the triangle is brown color. And example of the triangle is pastry. This is triangle shape pastry, P-A-S-T-R-Y, pastry. This is yellow color and pink color pastry. So heart, example is leaf, star, example is star, cylinder, example is cup, triangle, example is pastry. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.